everybody, CJ here, the African fitness addict. This is CJ, the rock star of fitness. So today, I'm gonna share with you some variations of push-ups. Some of you have want to call them some types of push-ups. And remember this, I'm gonna start with level 1. And I'm gonna start with some very easy to do push-ups, and then we're gonna go to the next level, which is an advanced level. So you'll be able to do that depending on your level of fitness. But remember this, you start small and then you grow big. So we're gonna share with you different types of push-ups. So please train with me. After everything has been said and done, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Ladies and gentlemen, let's train together. So the first one that we're gonna start with is a very easy to do push-up. This is a knee push-up. So train with me. Number 1, especially for the beginners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number 2 is a basic push-up, and a lot of you, that's the one that you know. It's a basic push-up. Number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number 3, side kick. 3. Number 4 is a tiger push-up. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number 5 is a delt tape. So what you do on this push-up is that you will be tapping your deltoids. Okay, let's go. 6 is a pipe. Let's go. 7, side to side. 8 is a tuck push-up. Let's go. 2. So number 9 is an in and out. Let's go. Number 10 is a Hindu. Let's go. Oh, so number 11, power man. Let's go. Ooh. And last but not least, that's number 12, climbing. Let's go. So you have it. Thank you so very much for watching. These are some of the types of the push-ups that you can do each and every day. If you can spare even for 5 to 10 minutes, you can be able to practice this. But don't kill yourself. You have to know that you start from that lower level until you go to the advanced level. And until next time, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. But in anything that you do, if you want to become successful be it in fitness, in business, in leadership, I don't care what you do, consistency is key. Especially if you want to be fit, if you want to be healthy, if you want a healthy body, consistency is key. And Robin Sharma says it in a more elegant way than I myself ever could when he said that consistency is the mother of mastery. So thank you so very much for watching, and you will see results because of being consistent. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, sign out. CJ, the Fitness Rockstar.